Hi everyone, welcome back to Unmatched Tip. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can find Unmatched. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Tinder application. Now the user interface will look somewhat like this. So if you want to find your Unmatched, let me tell you what unmatching on Tinder means. And if you were chatting with someone on Tinder but that person is unavailable on Tinder now, and if you are not seeing that person, that means that person has unmatched you, but there is no such feature to see who unmatched you on Tinder. If you want to know who unmatched you can just go ahead and check on your chat section, and the person that has unmatched you will be disappear from the chat section. So this is the only working method. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.